Hello, this is Andre over at GeniusLife.me. In our workshops, we have a format of 3 half days. The first one to identify the genius zones, the second one to measure the time we spend in them today, and the third one to put together an action plan to enable us to maximize that time that we do spend in those genius zones. But actually afterwards, at 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months after the end of the workshops, we re-engage with the participants and we ask them what they've done with those genius zones. We have follow-up sessions with everybody from that same group. And there the participants take an engagement of something they will do before the next time, and we review that engagement with the other participants. And this actually has a very, very strong effect on implementation. Why? Why is that so important? Because otherwise this will remain an intellectual experience, hopefully very nice, but actually it doesn't really change people's lives. So by going through this debrief session process after the end of the workshop, participants have taken engagement, they'll actually change something in the way they work today. It can be maybe looking for new clients if we're independent, but it can also be having a conversation with our own boss, with the HR manager, with the person responsible for our development within the company, and making the most of our process to be able to grow. Because in a disrupted work market, it's really important to be connected to our own genius zones and to have fun in our work. Bye for now.